Let's press the button. Oh, alright, let's press this button. Get to the finish line. You know what we're gonna do. We're getting to this finish line. Alright, look at this noob behind me. They think they can win. Well, somebody already won. We're not gonna be first. Which is kind of sad. Oh, right at the end. No. That's so embarrassing. Good thing we get another try though, right? Also guys, this is my first video, so thank you for tuning in. Oh, we didn't get a second try. What is happening? Playing don't press the button. Obviously, they pressed the button. Get to the other side. Okay. I don't get it. Now what? This person is spilling water. What happens if I step on it? Like, wow. This is such a troll. Oh, stay close to the light. I just took a lot of damage. Oh no. Wow, people are actually dying to this. Because I hear a few oofs. We're not gonna die. Ooh. Almost died. Can we touch this? We can touch the green. That guy has a rainbow head. Ooh, he lagged. Oh, they're lagging. Ooh, it's just me and 3 other people. This person should be dead. Like, look at their health. Like, they should have died right there. In fact, they were lagging. They were outside the storm for like a good 5 seconds. It doesn't matter. Oh, he did die. Good. That person was the one who was trying to troll me earlier. You're dead. Come on. I'm winning this sword fight. Oh. Aw. I lagged. No excuses. I actually did lag. Oh, we got 20 gold coins. And we gotta spin. Let's see. We gotta spin this. And we gotta play for 12 minutes. Sorry. I guess we're not gonna spin on a wheel then. Let's press the button. Wait, what is this? Stand clear of the fires? I'm so confused right now. Can we fall off? No, we can't. Is this like the mastermind? Yeah, I guess these people behind the thing are masterminds to try to kill us. Look at my avatar. He looks so chill. Yeah, I don't think the guy is at his keyboard at the moment. I think he's just gone, bro. Oh, we're pressing that button. We pressed it. Stay on the raft and avoid the rocks. Okay. Dude, this is like almost the exact same one as the light one. Oh! And I died. Wow. That was actually more hard. Because back then, you wouldn't have died instantly. Well, let's press the button. You actually had time to react. Okay. Jump over the lasers. Sounds kind of easy. You can come from 3 directions. Wow. That says don't touch the lasers, but it doesn't instantly kill you. Like, these noobs should be dead by now. They can't handle a little laser action. Like, they're using rockets and they still failed. Come on, Jazeline, I'm gonna win this. Oh crap. What? That guy was in the sky and he just dropped down at the Don't fall off. I mean, the game just gave me a life because I fell off. Wow, this one's pretty difficult. I was gonna say really hard, but I don't want to be repeating myself. Like, these people can fly. How is that fair? It's like real life. The rich. Oh, I'm dead. Oh no. Anyway, our goal is to win at least 3, and I think we've won 1. I don't remember. And if we did win more than 1, then we're going back to 1. You guys know that song? We're going back to 505 or something. We're going back to the number 1. And we gotta win 2 more. Oh. Got 5 seconds to find a building with light. This one has light. This is like Five Nights at Freddy's. I don't know if you guys ever played it, but Five Nights at Freddy's, I forgot. The one with Gregory. I don't know what it's called, I forgot. Sisters, no, that's not Sister's Location. If you guys know what it's called, comment it down below, because I forgot. Talking about Five Nights at Freddy's, there's a new one that came out and I played it. That was pretty fun. It was pretty different compared to the like other ones because you barely saw Freddy Fazbear. We only saw him once. That was if you do like the ending where you do the computer thing. I saw people were mad about it. Anyway, I died, I think. I don't know how I died. This place had lights. We're gonna count that as a win. The time stop. I guess we won again. Nah, I'm not gonna count that time stop one as a win. I feel like that was easy. Alright, we need 1 more win. I'm gonna let these people do the work. Which one's correct? Wow, this guy's taking a lot of risk. Press that button. Hide and seek. I gotta hide. Ah, well, I'm stuck here. Let's go hide in a good spot, I guess. I don't know where's a good spot to hide. You can hide. Let's hide behind the bed. Oh, we got caught. Let's find everyone. Oh, you think you're so smart? I was schizo. Hey, that's me. I pushed the button. Anyway, I think we gotta win 1 more, so we're gonna win 1 more. I think this would count if we push this. Let's go, let's go. Boom! And that's 3 games won. Okay, since this one went instantly, let's just do this one. Because remember, we failed on this earlier. Now I need to get my get back. We're winning this. Alright. Well, I just died. I was very locked in. I was very focused on that. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's my first time making a video. Get to the end. Try next time. See ya.